Hi guys, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining the difference between a key light and a fill light. So I've got Lottie back with us today and I've got two lights for you. Now what a key light is not commonly known as our main light or bright light, some people call it, but I always call it our main light. This is the light which is going to be illuminating our subject the most. So I've got a 90cm softbox on, and we're just going to take a portrait of Lottie as we are. And what our main light or key light is actually doing is illuminating the majority of Lottie, which is what a key light does. It illuminates the majority of our subject. Okay, now what a fill light does is we have this second light with a similar softbox. This light is going to fill in the shadows which appear down this side of Lottie. Now what a common mistake and misconception is that you have these two lights on the same power. So I'm going to show you that first before I show you how a fill light is properly used. So I'm going to put these on the same power, and what happens is our fill light has now removed that shadow completely. And what a fill light should be doing is, even though it's filling in the shadow, it should be softening the shadow and not always removing it. Okay, which is why some models get confused about which light to actually turn to, especially if they are on the same power. So we're going to turn this light down by one stop. Okay, so this light is brighter than this light. So what happens when I take a picture now is we're going to get still that shadow down this side, but it's a lot softer, a lot more flattering. Now you don't have to just do one stop lower from this light to this light. So this light is one stop lower. You can keep turning down this light by half a stop to a stop, and you've got a lot more control over how much of that shadow you want appearing in your photo. So if we do another shot now, you will now actually see that there's a little bit more shadow here, and if we go even further down by another half a stop, that shadow will again become more and more prominent. So that is the difference. This is what is illuminating our subject, and this light is what is filling in our shadow to make it a lot more flattering on our models. So I hope that has explained that easily for you. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video.